Preparing your pen. Before starting, prepare an alcohol swab and a new needle. Roll a pen between the palms of your hands 10 times. Then swing the pen up and down another 10 times. Repeat as needed until the insulin is well mixed and there is no solid left at the bottom. Then, using an alcohol swab, wipe down the top of your pen. Screw the new needle onto the pen and take off the outer and inner cap. Removing bubbles. Twist the dose knob to 1. Then press the injection button until the dose reads 0 and air should be released as well as some of the insulin. Injection. Adjust the dose knob to the desired dosage. If you twist past the desired amount, you can always twist back to the previous doses. Then, using an alcohol swab, wipe down the point of contact on your skin. Wait for it to dry. Then, pinching the fat around the point of contact, place your thumb on the dose knob and insert the needle into your skin. Push down on the dose knob until the dosage appears to be 0. Count for 5 to 10 seconds before taking the needle out of your skin. After injection, use the alcohol swab to wipe the skin around the point of contact. Cap the needle by placing the cap on the table and in a scooping motion, pick up the cap with the pen. Remove the needle from the pen safely once the needle is capped. Then discard the cap needle in a sturdy container. Possible points of injection include the backside of the upper arms, the outer fourth of the thighs, top outer fourth of the buttocks, or the abdomen, but avoid a fist size around the belly button.